Alright, morning y'all. This is part 2, where I'm just going to show you a test drive and how everything worked out. So, this is a cold engine, sat overnight. And you can see it's relatively squishy, but that'll get firm as we get to 190 degree coolant temps. Stop at Napa. Reason for it, I want to get a new radiator cap just in case this one's not releasing pressure. And Napa's right here on the way, so that's where I'm going to stop. Oh, and there's always a lot of Cummins in here. You can see this 4th gen. And we're missing this flatbed 2nd gen dually. There, you'll see him right here. He's got stacks. Alright, so here we are. We're all warmed up. And this is firm, but not swollen at all, and there's room, definite room between the belt and the hose compared to before. And we also got a radiator cap for $6. We're just going to replace this one here. This one's only a year old, but just to be safe, that's what we're going to do.